Welcome to the new Hedrick Middle School campus. We are so excited to show you the incredible facilities we have to offer, which are not only for our students and staff, but for our families and community as well. Our classrooms are outfitted with a variety of seating to provide comfort for all students. From stadium seating to individual workspaces, the rooms are equipped with mobile furniture to allow visibility, small and large collaborative configurations, access to technology, and comfort while exploring content.
One of the new things we're really excited about at Hedrick is our collaborative spaces. Having access to collaborative spaces in a more relaxed setting allows students to be more at ease to meet freely while participating in group discussions. This will help facilitate literature circles, as well as provide extra room for creativity in group projects. Our community room will be the hub for a variety of activities, from adult English classes in the evenings to drug awareness sessions, cultural awareness activities, and small group gatherings, mentor programs, or possibly a scouting event.
We would also like to highlight the new state-of-the-art athletic facilities. Our large and small gyms, along with our weight room and outdoor track and field areas, serve our physical education classes, athletic programs, outdoor adventure classes, and provide a spacious, high-tech facility to host local and regional robotic meets.
The Family and Consumer Sciences room is an absolute dream. The open layout kitchen area is spacious, well organized, and has plenty of cabinets for storage. Students will learn cooking skills in an environment that is perfectly designed and easy to maneuver in. The FCS room is sure to produce a great deal of creativity, countless new lessons learned, and memories made by students.
The Hedrick Library Media Center is a state-of-the-art facility. From flexible seating to spectacular views, the sky's the limit. Students will be able to work collaboratively to transform their learning in this future-ready space.
The Hedrick Middle School Fine Arts area is second to none. Every fine arts group has their own large classroom and dedicated storage area, outfitted with the most up-to-date lockers and acoustical treatment, as well as multimedia projection capabilities. This new building puts Hedrick Middle School at the head of the class when it comes to fine arts. The new kitchen is absolutely awesome. One highlight is the grill station. We have a griddle for hamburgers and an air fryer for French fries. The kitchen equipment is cutting edge and will provide healthy and delicious meal choices to our amazing students.
I want to thank Dr. Rogers, the board, and all of our LISD stakeholders for allowing us the opportunity to serve our students, families, and community in this multi-purpose, high-tech facility. Thank you.